All right, due day. Cleaning house. Clear off the patio. Good look. The yard bug. Super cool. It's tiny compared to that one. That's a GT2000. Totally fixed that one. Had that one for a while. The starter shaft was bent and stuck on the flywheel, so the guy thought it was froze. Got a new starter for it and cleaned it up. There's other videos on it. That's the first garden tractor I got with the shaft drive. It runs great. Just got that one. The backer. This one's really good. It's another GT2000 I haven't fixed yet. And there's the Craftsman.